to solve root 50 plus root 18 divided by root 16. This is quite easy. Let us solve it very fast. So this will be equals to 2 times 25. So we have 2 times 25, all right, plus 2 times 9. Of course, we've not changed anything. It will still give you the same 50 and the same 18. All right? All over root 16. Okay? So the next thing to do is to simplify the numerator. All right? So we have root 2. Sorry, the square root of 25 is 5. So we have 5 root 2 plus the square root of 9 is 3 root 2 all over what is the square root of 16, and that is 4. Okay, so that will give us this. We want to simplify the numerator, all right, to get a definite answer up there. So since root 2 and root 2 are common, we separate them. 5 plus 3 is 8 root 2 all over 4. Okay, so that will then give us this final answer. So 4 divided 8 is 2 root 2, and this is the final answer, 2 root 2. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and share the video.